Here we are, the boys.
Oh, yeah.
Boys, heading up to Jurien Bay. The estuaries, the Eshes.
Show.
Got the tunes cranking.
Have punched 100 yet. We're winding up to it. I just saved all of our lives. We're admiring the view, Chrispy included. With a, what is it? What sort of car? The Ford.
Ford Ranger.
Ford Ranger saved the day because this prick pulled out in front of us.
Oh, we've arrived. Jake boy, we've arrived. 46 Whitfield Place.
Time for bed, mate.
Time for bed?
I'm tired, mate.
2 minutes ago, it was like, I can't believe I'm going to bed at 9 o'clock.
Sat down, hit me like a train.
Tell you what, I reckon you get.
I'm here with brother-in-law Tony. First fishing adventure since my buck stay in 2007.
20 years ago.
And my boy was only not even born. He was just an apple in my eye.
Mate, you can tell they're not exteriors, eh? Always with the camera in their hand.
Always with the camera. Hey? Yes, look at that.
Gorgeous, mate.
Dark. That's sunset, sunrise.
Yeah, well, I'll just leave these out for you.
What have you got on there, mate?
Snapped off. Oh no.
How many metres you got there?
25.
Looks like it's got a bit of a...
Ascending. Oh my god, yeah, I can feel it.
Coming up. Jakey, you got something?
It's gonna be some sort of like baby, I can tell.
Got colour yet?
No, he's gone.
Nah. Yeah.
No, he's gone.
He's gone. Oh, no, Jake, yeah, he's gone, he's on. That's it, keep it running. Never stop winding. No, but if you let it slack, it'll come off. That's it. Young fella, I told him he was going to get the biggest fish. I don't know what the drag said on that. It doesn't look like there's much.
It's like tied up.
I don't think there's any drag on it at all, but I don't think it's huge.
No, it's tiny fish. I can tell.
Fish.
I need to increase it. I'm starting to play against my rod.
Oh, I got colour. 40? There it comes. Want it? Nice. Jake. That's a nice baldy.
Bro, it's got the bends.
Yeah, it does.
Poor guy.
Jez are on too.
Jez is on. Bacon's on.
He's gone.
Alright, what do we got here? Hold him up. Yes, not bad. Very good. Nice one. Ew.
That was so good. Good job, Dad.
So that, it was floating, mate. It was like, yes. That was awesome.
Yeah, stop.
Yep. Got some good head shakes.
Oh, yeah. Really fighting. Come on, Rod. It's up to you, mate. Oi, come on.
Or Tony, if you're on. Might be.
Yeah, come on, Rod. Go.
No colour yet.
Come on, Rod. It's really
20 metres to go.
It's really trying to fight. We might have the same fish.
I think we do.
Oh, really?
I think he's on.
Nah, I got this one. I know
Yeah,
what you're talking about.
there's colour.
I think it's mine.
Oh, look at that. Bring it in. Oh, yes, walk it back. Yes! Now, Jake, stop winding. That's it.
No way. Will you look at that?
Woo! Double header! Hey, we knew, hey? Double header, black, and that's a good snapper, Jake.
Yeah, I know. That's a good size.
All right.
I can't believe I picked that up. That's awesome.
Well done, buddy. You barely even hit the bottom, did it? You just hit the bottom, literally hit the bottom, and it was just like dung, dung, dung.
I barely hit the bottom.
Oh, Tony's got one! Yes!
Really? I think the size.
Right there, in the sun. Hold him up. It's coming up, Jewfish. No, it's not a cuttlefish. Oh, baldy.
Yes.
Oh, in the gut.
30.
Guitar player, mate.
Big snapper. Baldy.
Whoa, that is a monster baldy. Holy moly. Jake. Hey? Good boy. Good boy.
Boy.
2 baldies, mate, and that's a cracker. Walking in the sun there behind you.
Imagine dropping it.
Just don't put it overboard.
Alright, bring him up, guys. Check.
Crayfish for lunch. Eh? Hard work. Hard work. Let me just test it. 30 metres? Oh,
Not bad.
Oh, trying.
yeah, it's fine. I got the drag up pretty high, but see,
It's slowly coming. You can see the meter line going up.
And going back.
Yeah.
Got a big Jew, got him here before. We got a double head here before. What is that, 8-10 kilos?
It's massive. What type of shark is it?
Bronzy.
Yeah, right. So what are you trying to do?
I just want to cut the hook.
Yeah, right. We're trying to help you.
This time I'll get him.
Got him. Let's go.
Yeah.
Jake, because I was surprised that you got something on there because you weren't on the bottom. Remember, you were halfway up.
Exactly.
It's like.
That's a big fall.
That's like $1,000 straight. Nah. Oh my God. That's next level.
This good. So we got it. Full 2 bots.